Hi, this is Miss White. Today I'm going to show you how to use sentence starters to describe a picture of an animal or animals in Google Forms. Okay, so we're going to practice using this picture of turtle and fish. So first I'm going to scroll down and find the sentence starters for my class. So pretend I'm in Miss Gross's class. I am going to copy and then paste those sentence starters below in this box where it says copy and paste your sentence starters here. Okay, so I have my sentence starters and I'm going to replace the blanks with some information about the picture. The picture shows, I'm going to say the picture shows a turtle and a fish. The animals in this picture are, I'm going to say swimming. I want to add that the turtle looks like it is hitting the fish. They are in, on, or at. They are in the ocean. They are blanking because, okay. So they are, I'm going to change this a little to a guess that I have. The turtle is, oops, is hitting the fish in the face because the fish was getting in the turtle's way. Okay, they feel blank because I would say instead of they, I'll pick one of them. Do I want to talk about the turtle or do I want to talk about the fish? Maybe the turtle? Well, the fish feels annoyed. I don't know if fishes feel getting annoyed, but I'm imagining the fish feels annoyed that the turtle hit it in the face. Okay, so then I would be done. I could go to the next one.